Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Subaru Impreza headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Begin by opening your hood and locating the two top bolts that secure the headlight assembly. These are usually visible right on top. After that, carefully disconnect the main electrical connector from the back of the light by pressing the tab and pulling it free. Now that the initial connections are handled, let's remove the visible fasteners. Take your 10mm socket and remove the two bolts you identified on the top of the headlight assembly. Once those are out, you'll need to access a hidden bolt. Gently pull back the fender liner near the bumper to reveal this third bolt. It's crucial for freeing the assembly, so use your 10mm socket to remove it carefully. With all the bolts removed, the headlight assembly should now be mostly free. Before pulling, double-check for any remaining clips or plastic tabs that might still be holding it in place. Sometimes there's a small tab on the bottom. Once you're sure, gently wiggle the headlight assembly to loosen it from its mounting points. Then, carefully pull the entire headlight unit straight out from the vehicle. It should slide out smoothly. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully align the headlight assembly and slide it back into its original position, ensuring all tabs and mounting points line up. Reconnect all electrical connectors firmly, then secure the three 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Test your lights to ensure everything works correctly. For more helpful tips and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description for links and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.